Hey everyone, and welcome back to my Vitamin Doctor, where we discuss the best supplements and health products for you and your pets. I'll discuss anti-diarrhea for dogs and cats, with a convenient syringe for easy administration. Let's explore how this product can help your furry friends get back to feeling their best. This liquid anti-diarrhea product is specifically formulated to provide quick relief for both dogs and cats suffering from diarrhea. Whether your pet's stomach upset is due to a dietary indiscretion, stress, or a minor illness, this solution can help soothe their digestive tract and restore normal bowel function. Here's what makes it effective. Quick relief. The liquid formula works fast to relieve diarrhea symptoms, helping your pet feel better quickly and minimizing discomfort. Soothes digestive tract. This product helps to coat and calm the stomach lining, reducing irritation and allowing the digestive system to heal. Restores balance. It also helps restore normal bowel function by slowing down the gut's motility, which gives your pet's system time to reabsorb excess fluid. When to use it: use this product when your dog or cat is experiencing diarrhea, especially if it's mild and not accompanied by other serious symptoms like vomiting, lethargy, or loss of appetite. The dosage will vary based on your pet's weight and the specific instructions on the bottle. Use the included syringe to measure and administer the correct dose. Typically, you'll give it once or twice daily as needed. It's best to give this to your pet at the first sign of diarrhea, ideally with or after a small meal to help with absorption. Who can use it? Dogs and cats of all ages. Pets with mild diarrhea. It's ideal for pets experiencing mild, short-term diarrhea, such as from a dietary change or minor stress. Always consult your veterinarian if your pet's diarrhea persists for more than 24-48 hours or is accompanied by other symptoms. In summary, this liquid anti-diarrhea solution is a handy product to have on hand for those times when your dog or cat needs quick relief from mild diarrhea. It's easy to administer with the included syringe, and it can help soothe their digestive system and restore normal bowel function. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with other pet parents, and subscribe to my Vitamin Doctor for more tips on keeping your pets healthy and happy. See you next time.